this is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter, and I'm here today with our second April Make It Simple Monday, and oh my goodness, this has been such a crazy busy week, and it is Sunday evening, almost 8 o'clock, and I'm just getting to this project now, so if this doesn't tell you that you can make a project quickly, simply, and easily, then I don't think anything will. So I pulled out these two sets. They really spoke with me. So this month is Buds and Vases. So my interpretation of vases is anything I can put a flower in. Last week I did this one here with a coffee cup. So this week I've decided to use this container here. And I'm going to use the iris and pansy set. These little irises here really spoke to me. I'm pretty sure these are the irises. Like I said, it's been a long day. I had a migraine and I'm so tired, but I wanted to get this card done for Make It Simple Monday. The video may come out later because I'm not sure if I'm going to have the energy to edit it tonight. But, you know, that's okay. So this is, I'm considering this a metal container. So we are going to color it our two-color process. So we're using the 969. And I'm going to stamp this off. And actually, I think I'm going to go ahead this time and watercolor with just the sound. So give my brain a little break. So I'm going to show you the colors I'm going to use real quick. Tapping this off. And I'm going to do the official stamp. Light pressure. I'm not doing CPR. It's just a light pressure across. Make sure I get a nice even image on there. Okay, so let me show you the colors that I'm intending to use, because I'm just gonna watercolor in silence today. So 969, the 565 were the two that I used for my container. For my leaves, I've got the 249 and 177. For the flowers, I've got the 636 and the 725, and then the middle of those irises, I'm going to add that 925. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and, let me mask this off. All right, thank you so much for joining me tonight. Just a quick little project using the Iris and Pansy set and the Farmhouse Container Set. Again, my name is Amanda the Nerdy Krafter, and if I can do a project in just a few minutes, so can you. So pull out your projects, get to work, and have fun. Thank you so much. Have a great night, and I will see you next week.